Before you use Figma on Tracup.
Please modify the design draft.
What? Again?
Yeah.
Don't even think about it. No more modifying, or I'm going to explode my mind, okay? You understand?
No, I don't understand.
After use Figma on Tracup.
Yes.
Sometimes I always have some argue with my designers because we have different ideas about the same design, the manuscript. But after I use Figma on Tracup, if I have some new ideas, I can modify it directly on the website by myself instead of telling the designers my idea to let her modify it. The efficiency of our work has been greatly improved. We don't need to argue anymore.
Good job. Oh, I have modified the design draft.
Really?
Look.
Let me see. Wow, such a good job. Very well done. That's just what I need. Okay, and it's time to go home. Yes. See you tomorrow, and have fun with Figma. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and it's nice to meet you again. And today, some difference and some new in our website, and I will share you this new integration in which Figma integrates our product Tracup. So in recent years, Figma tracks the mind share from designer and their team. The first decision actually came from the idea from the founder of Figma, Dylan Field. He started to invent a collaborate tool from the cloud ready, in which users can edit on shared website browser, which is not limited in app from their desktop. With the setup of Cloud plus browser, Figma outbreaks two constraints from previous design tools: limitation of physical device and tedious caused by repeat transmission of the file is never happened again recently. Tracup integrates functional Figma in our description page and help you project management more efficiently. So what is Figma? Figma actually is a collaborative tool for UI designing. Based on browser to finish your collaborative design is the biggest feature of Figma. So in the following video, I will show you some features about the Figma's function and how to operate Figma on our description page on Tracup. And firstly, I will show you some features about Figma. When you open its official website, you will see this page. Firstly, Figma based on browser and internet, Figma can keep all profile in cloud. And secondly, Figma can achieve a key real teamwork. Figma is also a collaboration tool for designing. UI designing actually needs collaboration between designer. Design industry also needs shared spirit, which can also make everything efficiently. And thirdly, Figma can achieve the process connection. For example, the integration of multiple tools. In this page, you can see this. And Figma can also achieve the teamwork, online edit at the same time. Lastly, Figma has the special website, special page, which is called resource sharing. It has an open source community. You can see all of this on this page. And then we come back to the Tracup description page and I will show you how to operate Figma and Tracup combination function on our description page. So firstly, please open Tracup and log in with your personal account, and then you will see this workbench, and you just click the blue button at the right corner and plus task, and you will see the description page and type and you will see many choices, include this one, Figma, and just type the URL link of Figma, and you will see the miracle like this. Features, there is no limitation of SW, and the victories will be the products with its core competitive and characteristics. So at the end of the video, I will give you the link of Figma. This is official website of Figma, and this is the website of Tracup. So you can find the integrate function on our description page, and I have already shown you how to operate on Tracup. So that's all for today. If you have any problem of our video, or you have any other suggestion for us, please contact us, and hope see you next week. See you. Bye.